Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's get a sense of what's happening in the markets today with Stock Movers. Denitza Sakova joins us, cross-asset reporter for Bloomberg News. Denitza, what are you looking at?
Let's take a look at Walmart. Obviously, there was that tweet from the president. Shares tumbled as much as 2.5%. Now some of those losses have been erased, but still the stock is down today. So President Trump told the retailer that they should eat the tariffs, which is an interesting announcement because we had actually Scott Bessent on the weekend talking to NBC, saying that he has already spoken to Walmart and they have said that indeed they will absorb some of those tariffs. But of course, some of the statements Walmart gave in their earnings and on May 15th is that the tariffs are increasing economic turbulence and consumers may start to see some of those effects in May. Of course, Trump is saying that the company has made billions last year, and the reason to raise prices is not tariffs. So there is a lot of pressure. We're yet to see how is this going to play out. There hasn't been a big pushback from Walmart. But yeah, small pressure today on the stock for sure.
Also taking a look at Netflix here. The analyst community weighing in on this one?
Yeah, and it's an interesting
because it just hit record high after record high after record high,
and that's why they're weighing on. JPMorgan downgraded it to neutral from overweight. There are no big alarms. There are no big reasons other than it's expensive. There has been record high. The stock is up 30% year to date after another amazing year last year. So the reason is just like more balanced risk reward. In that streaming space. Interesting thing is that they say that Netflix was a defensive play during all the tariff turmoil. And now that some of this has eased, maybe investors won't be as interested. JPMorgan says that following a significant stock price appreciation and outperformance, it's lowering the weight they have on Netflix. But still, obviously, there are so many buy ratings on this stock, and it's a clear winner this year.
Anything else out there?
We're looking at Reddit. That's an interesting one because I actually use it a lot for my reporting, and I've been seeing it less and less when I Google stuff. And that's one of the reasons we're seeing a big hit today. Wells Fargo downgraded it to equal weight, and it's coming off all those changes Google is implementing in their algorithm. Analysts are saying that recent user disruptions are likely to be more permanent. Google is implementing all those AI features in search, which are really changing how some websites, including Reddit, are accessed. The threats are not only to Reddit, but to all the companies dependent upon search traffic. Reddit is down 34% year to date. So clearly, that's an interesting one to watch. That's very dependent on Google right now.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.